nice. It's a nice clean spotlight. And you open it up a little bit, you have a bit of a halo there, a little dark spot in the middle. Then once you get it all the way out, you can't see that dark spot anymore. But that's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, I'm going to switch over to the AAA batteries and see if it's the same brightness. Okay, I have the AAA batteries inserted. Spotlight mode. It looks like it's the same brightness. Let's go out to the flood. Yeah, to me it looks like it's same brightness. Alright, so on a full battery charge, this is supposed to last 4 hours. And this light comes with a 1-year warranty. Not bad for a $26 light.